Ever wondered how to break free from traditional TV and join the IPTV revolution? In this video, we're going to unravel the mystery of subscribing to IPTV. First, let's clarify what IPTV is. Internet Protocol Television at its finest. Imagine having thousands of channels at your disposal, all through your internet connection. The first step in subscribing to IPTV is choosing a reputable provider like 2TV.store. Head over to their website for competitive packages and seamless service. Selecting a plan that fits your needs is crucial for your viewing pleasure. After choosing, proceed by filling in the necessary subscription details provided. Complete the process by securely submitting your payment information. Now, everything's ready and your breakthrough into IPTV land has begun. But what's next after subscribing? It's time to set up your devices. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for an uninterrupted experience. You're now ready to delve into an endless sea of entertainment options at any time. Watch live channels, movies, series, all with a few simple clicks. Still wondering how IPTV can transform your viewing habits? Try it yourself now. Visit the link below to get started with 2TV.store, the ultimate IPTV experience.